this one, it is just near to the table icon. You can see over here. This is a matrix visual. Okay, so we are going to plot the same visual as we have discussed. So I click on it and it plots a blank matrix for me. Okay, so this is a blank matrix visual. Now here you can see the things which a matrix visual asks is the row, column and the value. Value of course should be a numeric thing, and row and column should be the categorical thing or the categories which you want for the columns and for the rows. So let us have it. So suppose for the rows I want the product category to be lying under the rows and the region to be lying under the columns. Okay, so when I plot them, you will see that there is a blank kind of matrix that is plotted, which is having the name of the regions, which is central, east, south, west in ascending order, and the name of the category of the products again in the ascending order or the alphabetical order. Till now there are no values because I have of course not put the values yet. Now we will put up the values. So suppose I want to understand the profit values across these two categories. As soon as I put up the profit here, you will be able to see that your matrix will be populated with the values, and automatically a total column and a total row will be added to your matrix in order to understand the further aggregations. Okay, let us have a look what a particular value represents. So suppose I talk about this value 47 this. Okay, so this value basically is the sales or the profit of technology products in the East region. So you have to speak it like this: row heading and column heading together will be the value. So suppose I talk about this value 19,986. So this is the profit value of office supply products in the South region. Okay, so this is a matrix visual for us. Automatically a totals column and a totals row is added. So with the total column, I can understand what is the total sales of furniture, what is the total sales of office supply, and also through the columns, okay, through the total row, I can understand what is the total sales in the central region, what is the total sales in the south region and west region and east region and so on. Okay, so Power BI automatically provides you with these total rows and columns. If not required, you can deselect them, but it provides you so that your visual is complete and it can answer to your stakeholder queries. Okay, so this is the basic matrix visual. Okay, now let us explore its further capabilities. So now will come the beauty of this visual, which is in the drilling down and the putting the hierarchies in that visual. Okay, so here under the categories, so we know that categories are further related to subcategories and the products. So suppose I want it to expand in the subcategories also. Okay, so let me show you, then you will understand my application statement. So suppose I want it to be exploded according to the subcategory also. So what I will do, I will drag and drop subcategory field in the rows below category. Okay, as I drag and drop it, please notice the change in the matrix. So as I drag and drop it, you can notice there is a plus sign that has appeared. The appearance of a plus sign is an indication that now we can expand the furniture category to have a look at the respective subcategory in it. Okay, let me show it to you again. So if I deselect it and drag and drop the subcategory again below the rows of category, you can see a plus sign appears, and if I click on this plus sign, you will see all the subcategories which are there, because I have expanded only furniture. So all the subcategories under there are now visible and I can see their respective values also. So now you can visualize that, hey, if someone is looking at a report or someone is looking at this matrix, they will be able to answer to many of the questions like, what is the sales of chairs in the west region? What is the sales of this thing in this region? And so on. Okay, so this is known as adding hierarchies. Further, you can add more hierarchies, like suppose below this thing lies the product name. So I want to drill it down till product name. So as soon as I drag and drop product name in the rows, you will see bookcases also now have lot of products. So I can even drill down to a particular product sales in a particular region. Okay, so although the data looks very huge, but it can answer to your questions. But again, a suggestion, please don't overdo it just because this feature is available. Only have the hierarchies that are required by you. Okay, but of course, in this crisp format, like a matrix looking this crisp can further be expanded to this level, as you can see over here. Okay, so it can be expanded to this huge level. Yeah, so as you click on these arrows, so the same thing which I was doing by clicking on the plus signs and all can be done by clicking on these arrows, which are known as drill up, drill down and fork. Okay, so you can go up and down in the hierarchy and you can, explode all the branches together. So as you drill up, it is going to take you up to the further category. Okay, so this is the hierarchy I have added to the rows. Similarly, you can add hierarchies to the columns also. So I have given the regions in the columns, but suppose I want to know, like, under each of the regions, what are the states which are there. Okay, so according to state, I want to know, like, for a particular bookshelf, what is the sales of it in the central regions, Ohio state or something. So let us have a look. I'm going to drag and drop states in the column. Okay, please make a careful look at no. Please make a careful look at the fields that I'm dragging and dropping. So please notice over here that under the rows I have category, subcategory and product name. And just now under the columns after the region I have added state, and values we have profit only. So as I do it, so as such there is no change, no plus has appeared over here. But here you can notice that here now it is giving me an option like where do I want to drill on, rows or columns. So by default, the rows drill down is active, but you can select that, hey, I want to drill down to a column. Okay, as you do it, as you click on any column, so it is going to expand. Okay, so you can click on this arrow. Yeah. How many states are there? Yeah, you can see, yes, all the states under central region have expanded. So like there are many states, so it is difficult for us to read. So these are all the states under the central region. Okay, so here through this expansion, I can exactly see, suppose I want to check out what is the sales of binders in the Missouri region or Montana region or Nebraska or Nevada or so. Okay, so we can drill down our reports to the level of my, granularity as we want. So this is what is a unique feature of the matrix visual that is available in Power BI. Okay, of course you can play around all the formatting options. All the formatting options are exactly the same as they were in a table visual. There will be total and row and column options also, and there is again the cell elements. Okay, so I'll leave the playing around with the options to you. Okay, the formatting options to you, but please explore this hierarchy features. It's a very interesting feature. With this small visual in your report, you can answer to such smaller detailed questions. All right. So yeah, so this is the matrix visual. Any questions around here?